In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create professional, detailed project timelines for online courses, website redesigns, and marketing campaigns. Let's start by defining the AI's role. I'm opening a document where I've prepared a prompt to set the stage, telling ChatGPT that I want it to act as my dedicated project timeline creator. I'll copy this description, which includes my background as a content creator named Josh, and paste it directly into the chat. ChatGPT confirms it's ready to help and even provides a framework for how it will structure future timelines, emphasizing clear phases, actionable tasks, and realistic logic. Now that we've established the rules, I'll copy my first specific request, a detailed 8-week timeline for launching an online course from scratch. As I paste this in and hit enter, ChatGPT begins generating a full breakdown. It assumes a small team, a creator, an editor, and a designer, and maps out the entire journey. As I scroll through the output, you can see it covers everything from the initial course strategy in week 1 to lesson recording, platform setup, and finally the big launch in week 8. It even includes a simple overview table at the end for a quick glance at the schedule. Next, I want to see how it handles a tighter deadline. I'll go back to my notes and copy a prompt for a 6-week website redesign project. I'll paste this into the chat, and ChatGPT immediately pivots the strategy. It focuses on discovery, wireframes, and development builds, while also listing common delays to watch out for, like stakeholder feedback loops. This is incredibly helpful for keeping a technical project on track. For my third request, I'm looking for a 4-week content marketing campaign to promote a digital product. I'll paste this prompt in, which specifically asks for a traffic light status system to monitor progress. ChatGPT produces a high-intensity, day-by-day breakdown of social media activities, emails, and blog posts. It moves systematically through the awareness, education, and launch phases, ensuring every day has a clear objective. Finally, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a reusable project timeline template that I can use for any future digital project. I'll copy the final prompt and send it over. The AI generates a clean, universal template that covers project overviews, key stakeholders, and risk management. It even concludes with a quick fill method, designed to help me generate a functional timeline in under 5 minutes. Using ChatGPT this way makes managing multiple complex projects much more organized and efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.